To the correct.
This could take as long as 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah, three. If you use the domestic feed, it's chicken especially for the interior. The broadness of the animal is a heavy meat type.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah, this one is heavy meat type.
So these are the baby ducks. Oh, you keep them warm.
Yeah, and the French Muscovy, these are a heavy meat type chicken too. They grow very fast.
People from all over the world.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaica, and I am your lady Tania, a true Jamaican here in Guyana.
Well, my name is Krishna Silal. I'm the Regional Crop Extension of Region 5 attached to the Ministry of Agriculture and now NARI. Region 5 actually stretches from Jamaica. This high bridge that you come across is 3 bridges, but it's the first high one. Jamaica right down to Ithaca. So the region is actually Region 5. We call it Jamaica Barbies, and the population in Region 5, according to our last population census, is like about 51,000. So the activities mainly in Region 5 are rice farming, livestock, poultry, sheep and goat, and we are the largest producer of sheep and goat and cattle in Guyana.
Yes.
Actually, our population in cattle about over 50,000 and sheep and goat over 40,000 heads. Pigs, to a lesser extent, 14 to 15,000 population. So apart from livestock crops, we actually produce the most green seasoning, such as chives, we call it shallot.
Yes.
And celery, tomatoes. So we actually those are major crops: sweet pepper, tomatoes, shallot, and apart from other crops.
Shallot, what is a shallot?
Shallot is the chives. The same chives. You call it scallion family or the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You can see it a lot when we go around.
Yes. I've learned in Region 3 that these are canals, not rivers.
Yeah, these are canals, but in the villages, is not canal. It's actually residential drains. These are residential drains. Canal is something wide, just like this, but they have different outlets. In the village, we get a facade drainage canal.
Okay.
One major drainage canal in Region 5. So we get other internal canal, but these that you see in the residential areas is residential drains actually.
Drainage. So that's the one that drains the water from the community
and go into the canal.
Okay.
So within the villages is drainage. All these are residential drains.
Yes.
Internal residential drain. But in each village, at the end of the village or in the center of the village, there is always a main drainage canal.
Okay.
You know, so these not canal is just residential drains.
So Region 5.
Yeah, Region 5.
Barbies.
This we are in Bushlot here, Bushlot Village, West Coast Barbies. This actually we go into a sheep and goat farmer. There's a racetrack. You see this a lot in Guyana. In the region they have a lot like race. We call it a race course. That people who love horse racing, they would certain time of the year they would come here to see horse racing.
Okay.
It's a popular sports in Guyana, horse racing.
Horse racing. They do the horse cart racing too?
No, not the horse cart.
Just the horse.
One of the craziest and the most crowd we ever get to witness a horse race was when we have a local businessman right in this village. We call it Jumbo Jet.
Okay.
He's actually bringing this guy Skelly Bang.
From Jamaica.
Yeah, and Skelly Bang was the largest. If you Google Skelly Bang show in Guyana, the largest crowd ever, and we had a traffic jam for 3-4 hours. People couldn't leave their home from the quarantine or from Georgetown to come to the race because you know what's happened? Lockdown
Skelly
traffic.
Bang was here.
He's one of the largest shows we ever. I cannot go to the show. We can't go because you can't leave your home to come.
Yes.
The traffic jam was 5-6 miles. People I couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
You know, it was one of the largest show ever.
Yes, Skelly Bang is a very good artist in Jamaica. He's popular.
And you can take a look at the ram because mostly flag on out in the fields.
Okay.
So she do a visit, so she wants, you know.
You have roosters too?
Yeah, well you can see when
you can see.
Chicken, so.
Yes.
She just wants a visit like to see what
Yeah.
You know?
This is a farm?
A farmer. What's that name again? Yeah, Lakan. The farmer name is Lakan Ramlagan, and he's one of we farmers that the Ministry of Agriculture select
Yes.
to do a breeding program with the Texana that I tell you about, the Texana ram,
Okay.
to upgrade local stock. Is a heavy meat type animal. They bring in these embryo transplant from England.
Okay. Hold on.
So come in, you can see these are some of the best in Guyana actually right now. So this
Okay, what are the names?
Yeah, different breed. Again, they say the Harper,
so this is the Harper,
get Texana,
Texana,
yeah, West Africa.
West Africa.
West Africa. Texana, you see the broadness of the animal is a heavy meat type.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah, this one is heavy meat type.
Okay. So you said these are the rams.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah,
breed.
and this one is what?
That Harper.
Harper, and this.
That one next Harper. So, but like
Harper.
they mix with
Oh,
the
a mix,
other one,
yeah.
mix with-
Okay.
Now there's the young one over there, with the young one and non-sell out.
Yeah.
Oh, these are the babies.
Yeah, 2 young ones over there.
And there's a heavy demand for the offspring. Yeah.
The sheep. Oh, this one, the black one belongs to this
Yeah,
family.
yeah.
The mouth. You see how they do the mouth?
Yeah.
With the teeth. Okay.
All the rest of them are over
That's how far are you grazing?
there. You can see that.
See them.
Okay.
Good.
You get dogs.
So Mr. Ramlagan also.
Dogs?
Ducks, you know?
Oh, ducks.
Ducks. Actually, he do his own. He's like a little meat center too.
Yes.
So he actually do his own breeding.
Oh.
Walk them outside. There's a little side.
Yes, sir.
On the outside? Oh, those are the black chickens?
Yeah, that black giant chicken.
Black. You know about the black giant, right? Yeah, it's a new breed of chicken in Guyana.
Yeah,
That
I think we saw some over region 3, but it was they were distant away. We couldn't get the chance to.
they breed these chickens specially for the interior Amerindian location. It's a scavenger feeder. They could actually feed on grass. They could feed on anything, any domestic waste, anything.
So they're more natural.
Yes. But like this farmer, he actually housed them. Want to bring in them at early.
How long they
market stage.
take to be ready?
The duck 6 weeks and so 7 weeks the duck already.
This could take as long as 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah, three. If you use the domestic feed, like the little zero grazing thing, you could actually bring to 3 months. You could get a reasonable 6-7 pounds, but
Okay.
Yeah, baby duck, you get baby, you get the black
but normally
giant,
6 months.
Okay, so they're the black giant.
Black giant
Okay. Black giant chicken.
chicken.
You get baby duck chicken. Then a French mascot.
Yes. So these are the baby ducks. Oh, you keep them warm.
Yeah, and the French Muscovy, these are heavy meat type chicken too. They grow very fast.
Okay. Oh, so these ducks can be eaten.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
yes.
the same dog, get it?
Yeah.
Not the baby and not the big one.
Yes. They're talking next. Can I walk here? Doggy.
Yes, man.
And these are the regular chickens.
No, yeah, but then that's some that the black giant again, baby.
Yeah, baby chicken, black giant.
Oh,
Yeah, there is a baby chicks.
so where these
And
breeds
these
originate from?
Well, Guyana they breed the GLDA, the livestock. They breed them special.
Oh,
Dr. Austin at one time breed the Robin Blue. There was a special breed of duck. You know, they do the breeding at the livestock resort station.
Okay.
They were actually breed right
Black
in Guyana.
giant. Oh, these are puppies. What kind of breed are they?
A regular breed.
Oh, okay.
Regular Creole animal. Yeah.
Okay. It tells you how.
So this one of the most improved farmer actually, Mr. Ramlagan actually you know, adhere to all the management practices, you know, housing instructions. So.
What did you say?
Guinea pig.
Oh, guinea pig.
There is a smaller.
So these are the guinea pigs.
Guinea pig.
What is the main purpose of breeding them?
That fun, I mind them really fun.
Yeah.
Huh?
Some
Yeah,
people in
fun.
some parts would eat them, but you know, it's
Oh.
maybe as pet, you know.
Like pet.
Okay. Oh my. Look at that little one.
Just like in Guyana, people would mind them just a pet.
I've
Yes.
had white trash, lava, and aquarium, so it's depending, you know.
What trash?
Yeah, it's a wild animal.
You know, I'm done with it.
Yeah, it's a wild animal in Guyana. Watrush is a
It's a two little pet goat there. Two pet
He is a wild animal?
No, it's a two
Oh,
pet
the
one.
goat.
pet.
Yeah, two pet goat.
You bottle
They
feed
drink
them?
bottle.
Oh. They're enjoying the camera.
Yeah, they might drink bottle.
What the wild animal? Where is it?
I'll be sell out there.
Yeah,
I'll
try
run
them.
there.
Oh, okay.
This pen had white trash. This one had aquarium.
You know, like
that one had
bush hog, and these are wild animal in Guyana. That when we talk about wild meat, we talk about bush hog, watrush.
So they go quickly. Those are meats that sell fast.
I'm for fun. I'll be enough
Yeah.
and sell out back.
Oh.
People like enough work for look after and things and so.
Oh, they take a lot of work.
Yeah, people hunt for them in the jungle, you know,
Yeah.
or in the creek, like the Barry Creek and Maikoni, Mahika.
Okay.
Yeah, there's some cleaning outside.
Yeah, because you remember you can't expect to go pen and you know you're not getting shoes till now. You know.
All right, thanks.
That's why I brought the shoes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, though. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
That was a lady. Thank you. All right.
Yeah,
Like, I didn't know the black chicken were specially.
yeah, it's special breed in
Special
Guyana.
breed.
They actually breed them so, like in the Amerindian reservation, people can't afford to buy the commercial feed. So those animals, they could lose them. Last 2 weeks we went in Morocco by Amerindian reservation, 90 miles down the creek.
Okay.
They have them a lot there because they lose them in the forest. They would feed and
Okay.
on grass and in these area
Yeah.
next to the sea, the ocean. We have a lot of mangrove trees and so.
Okay.
The farmer would lose them and they would graze within
Yeah.
the bushes and so we.
Oh, so they're gone out to eat.
Yes, because in this area, only a few farmers would have improved pasturage that they would go into special pasture.
Okay.
But in this case, we call it extensive grazing.
Yes.
So farmer would employ somebody to actually overlook them
Okay.
because we get a lot of predatory larceny in Guyana, thieving
Yes.
with animal. So farmers would have to pay somebody to watch the
Watch
animal.
their crops. Oh, that's why they have the dogs too.
Yeah.
So that the dogs can make the sound, make the barking,
And
give an
these
alert.
farmers, they actually train these local dogs
Yes.
that they would go out. That they
Okay.
would go out.
Yes.
Harp on the Texana.
So
breeding
that
animal.
means maybe the other Caribbean countries who adopt your chicken.
Yes,
Yeah.
but because of land space, because these animals breed specially for savannas and interior location.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's not too much indoor, so you actually need land. So a farmer who can afford to buy a bag of a commercial feed, maybe $6,000 to $10,000,
Yes.
and that won't last even a week. So in this case, the farmer could actually lose them in grass. They would eat anything.
Okay, so I save money too.
Yes.
When you give them the bag feed, it takes what, 2 months, 6 weeks?
well, the broiler chicken, they would take like 3 months.
3 months.
3 months. Some would take 2 months. You know, it depends on your feeding program.
Yes. So the black chicken now would be a little bit more healthier.
Yes, healthy. Meat would be more stiff, you know, kind of solid, you know, but much tastier. And in Guyana, when you go to some market, you will see people selling local chicken, Creole chicken we call them.
Yes.
It's more expensive because it would take 6 months to bring them to maturity. So
those are the ones without bag feed.
Yeah, without bag feed. It would take longer to come in market stage.
Oh, so you have like a lot of natural chicken here.
Yes, a lot
without the hormones and all of that.
We call them Creole. A lot of farmers a lot of farmers do Creole boards.
Oh, okay.
Remember to like, share,
things like
and
paddy
subscribe
husk,
to the channel.
bran, wheat bran.
Thank you for watching Chat
Use a lot of
Jamaican.
kitchen stuff and say no local stuff.
Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When we walk through the valley of